Hi, welcome back to the See Money channel. And today we're going to do just a noise eating mukbang. We got some potatoes, boiled eggs, corn, and the viral imitation crab legs. Well, crab meat, that ain't no legs. But let's get to it. Let's start. Hungry. Oh yeah, let's first bite. Mmm, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's real good. Drip, drip, drip. Mm-hmm.